This is Chris Mainders, your residential real estate expert in South Florida. So thank you for taking the time to watch my mid-year recap on what's been going on in real estate in the residential space. I have a lot of information to share with you and hope it'll be of value. If you haven't watched one of my videos before, I wanted to share with you that I've been involved in real estate pretty much one way or the other for the last 35 years. That started with companies like the Walt Disney Company, MCI Telecommunications, Gables Residential. I was a partner in a real estate software firm, and after the big real estate bust in 2008, I got involved in investing myself, either flipping properties or becoming a landlord. Because of this extensive experience, you'll be hard-pressed to ever meet another real estate agent that has the skill set that I have, and that can translate into helping you, whether you're a buyer or a seller, doing the best deal and putting the most money in your pocket at the end of the day. Now, on to where we are mid-year 2025. About a year ago, mid-year 2024, the market definitely shifted from a seller's market, where it had been for about 10 years, to a buyer's market. So now we have the situation where there are many places listed for sale, they're staying on the market longer, and sellers are having to do a combination of reducing price or offering concessions to buyers to get their property sold. Buyers, for their part, are certainly more in the driver's seat with regards to purchasing properties than they have been for more than 10 years. They have the ability to hold back, negotiate price down, and also ask for concessions for things like closing costs and just plain cash being given back so that they can buy down on their interest rate. Other property types are under a great deal of pressure right now, specifically oceanside condominiums, where they are now subject to engineering reviews that are resulting in assessments per unit anywhere from $50,000 to $500,000. This assessment factor in condominiums is resulting in many units being on the market for a very long period of time, and buyers who are interested in this type of vacation property definitely being in the driver's seat regarding price, concessions, etc. If I had to sum up the residential residence marketplace in South Florida right now, the word that I would use to describe it is uncertainty. There's uncertainty in a lot of areas. Interest rates, insurance rates, engineering reviews of oceanfront condos, to just name a few. But then there's also other things that are from the general economy. What is the Federal Reserve Bank going to do as far as interest rates? What is going to happen with regards to tariffs, which impacts how much things cost and how much people can afford? So I think we're going to have to hold tight for about the next 6 months to see where we end up after all these things start to work through the mix. One thing that I am quite sure, we're going to stay in a buyer's market situation for that 6 months. Interest rates are still going to hover between 6 and 7%, and then at the end of the day, properties can sell if they're priced properly and marketed effectively. So to summarize, I would encourage you not to trust what will likely be the most expensive financial transaction of your life to someone who only works in real estate part-time, or they're doing it as a side job to some other profession. It's too important of a decision, and I can show you how my skill set is unmatched compared to anybody else you'll ever interview. I hope that I'll hear from you. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you for the next video.